Something worth thinking about. Right now, at this exact moment, an estimated 700,000 new videos are being created every single minute around the world. Every single minute. Over 3.5 billion people engage with video platforms every single day. Not occasionally, every day. Over 60% of all internet traffic now is video streaming, meaning more than half of everything happening on the internet right now is someone watching a video. Video is not the future of communication, it is already the present. And here is where it gets interesting for anyone watching this. 85% of companies now consider video a key marketing tool, not a nice to have, a key tool. Video posts received 48% more engagement than posts without video. 91% of companies treat video as a core marketing channel. 88% of marketers call it indispensable, which means every business, every brand, every creator who wants to be taken seriously in this year needs video. And every single one of those videos needs someone to edit it. The global video editing market is valued at $3.5 billion in 2025 and is projected to reach $4.99 billion by 2021. That is a market growing consistently year on year, and it is growing because the demand for people who can edit professionally is growing with it. This is not a trend. This is a permanent shift in how the world communicates. Now let me talk about what this actually means for you personally, because statistics are interesting, but opportunities are what matter. Video editing is one of the most in-demand skills on the internet right now. There are thousands of businesses and creators posting new video editing jobs every single day, not enough skilled editors to fill them. YouTube creators with large channels are sold their editing entirely. Social media editors and businesses need short-form content for Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn constantly. Reels, ads, promotional clips are all edited and are all paid work. Corporate video production companies need training videos, internal communication, product demos, and promotional content. This is some of the highest paying editing available. Wedding and event videography post-production is one of the most consistent local freelance income streams available. Course and educational content and editing in the online education industry is exploding, and every course creator needs their raw recordings turned into professional-looking lessons. One skill, multiple income streams, all enabled from a laptop. That is what you are talking about. Now I want to address something important, because whenever someone talks about learning a digital skill in this year, a question comes up. Is this skill going to be replaced by AI? This is a fair question. AI is changing everything, and yes, AI tools are getting better at automating parts of the editing process. Auto captions, background removal, basic cuts, these things are increasingly automated. But here is what AI cannot replicate. The human judgment that decides which moment to cut to. The creative instinct that knows when a pause is more powerful than a word. The storytelling sense that transforms raw footage into something that makes a viewer feel something. AI-driven editing features have improved productivity by 33% across studios, but they have not replaced editors. They have made good editors faster and more powerful. Think about photography. When smartphones arrived, everyone said professional photographers will be replaced. Photographers are not replaced. They are in higher demand than ever because the standard for what looks professional has risen. The same is happening with video editing. Editors who thrive are not the ones who resist AI. They are the ones who learn the fundamentals deeply enough to know how to use AI as a tool rather than be replaced by it. Learning DaVinci Resolve is not learning a skill that is going away. It is building a foundation that makes every future AI tool more powerful in your hands. This skill is not just relevant today, it compounds in value the longer you have it. Video editing is not a specialist skill anymore. A life skill like writing, like driving, like public speaking. People who have it communicate better, earn more, create more impact than people who do not. In this year, with a professional tool available to anyone with a laptop, there is no good reason not to have it. Now, if you want to learn video editing, there are a handful of tools that dominate the professional world. Adobe Premiere Pro holds 35% of the market. Final Cut Pro holds 35%. DaVinci Resolve holds 15%. 3 tools, 3 different price points. Premiere Pro, a paid subscription every month, forever. Final Cut Pro, Mac users only, one-time purchase, not available to everyone. DaVinci Resolve, completely free. A full professional version, free. The same software used to color grade major Hollywood productions, the same software used by professional editors and broadcast networks, completely free to download and use. DaVinci Resolve went from just 900 users in 2009 to over 5.4 million users by 2023, a growth rate of 106 compounded annually. That is not an age tool anymore, that is a movement. People are choosing DaVinci Resolve not because it's the cheapest option, they are choosing it because it's genuinely one of the most powerful editing tools ever built, and it happens to be free. So why am I telling you all this? Because this month 2 of 30-day skill, I'm learning DaVinci Resolve from complete scratch. Never opened it before, zero experience. And I want you to understand why the skill specifically is worth 30 days of documented learning. 68% of marketing professionals consider video the most effective communication medium for brand engagement. That means the ability to edit video professionally is not just a creative skill, it is a business skill, a career skill, a freelance income skill. Whether you want to grow a YouTube channel, offer editing services to clients, create content for your own business, or simply tell better stories, video editing is one of the most practical and most in-demand skills you can have this year. I started this channel because I believe that 30 days of genuine focused learning can move you further than most people think is possible. Last month, I proved that with YouTube itself. This month, I want to prove it with one of the most powerful creative tools on the planet, DaVinci Resolve, Day 1. Join us. Let's go.